Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically turn your videos into a 4K video in CapCut PC. So if you got like a video with a poor image quality, you can just use this trick. So first, after you add your videos, you can just go to basic in here under the video, scroll down until you find this enhance image option. So click on this box to show it. Now select the level, change Ultra HD. Now wait until the processing is finished. After that, your video will be better quality. So the image enhancement has been applied and you can see my video is now get a better quality. It's smoother and also clearer, I think. And that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.